Ever wondered what it would be like to try on clothes without stepping into a fitting room? Or imagine furniture in your living room without lifting a finger? That's the magic of augmented reality, or AR, and it's transforming the way we shop. Today we're diving into how AR is revolutionizing the retail experience. From virtual try-ons to interactive store layouts, AR is set to make shopping more fun and convenient than ever before. First up, virtual try-ons. Ever found the perfect outfit online but hesitated because you weren't sure if it would fit or suit you? AR solves this by letting you try on clothes virtually. Using your phone or an AR mirror in-store, you can see how that dress looks on you in real time. No more crowded fitting rooms or returns. It's like having a personal stylist at your fingertips. And it's not just clothes. Makeup brands are also using AR to let customers try on different shades of lipstick, eyeshadow, and more. Just point your phone at your face and voila, instant makeover. This means you can experiment with different looks from the comfort of your home. Now, let's talk about furniture shopping. Ever struggled to visualize how a new sofa would look in your living room? With AR, you can see exactly how it fits into your space. Apps like IKEA Place let you place virtual furniture in your home using your smartphone camera. Think about the convenience. You can avoid the hassle of measuring spaces or imagining if that couch will clash with your wall color. With a few taps, you can redecorate your entire space virtually and make sure everything fits perfectly before making a purchase. Move it around, change the color, see it from different angles. It's like having a showroom in your living room. AR is also making store layouts more interactive. Imagine walking into a store and pointing your phone at a product to see customer reviews, detailed specs, and even demo videos. This enhanced shopping experience means you can make more informed decisions without needing to ask for help. Beyond just convenience, AR is also making shopping more engaging. Retailers are creating immersive experiences that blend the physical and digital worlds. Think of treasure hunts where you find virtual items hidden around the store, or AR games that let you win discounts and prizes. Shopping becomes an adventure, not just a chore. One of the coolest trends is AR-powered pop-up stores. Brands are setting up temporary shops where everything is augmented. Scan a code and a virtual salesperson appears to guide you through the products. These AR pop-ups can appear anywhere, at a festival, a park, or even in the middle of a city square. They create buzz and offer unique experiences that draw crowds. Imagine walking through a park and stumbling upon an AR pop-up where you can explore the latest tech gadgets with a virtual guide. These pop-ups are not only fun but also a great way for brands to connect with customers in a memorable way. With 5G rolling out, the AR shopping experience is set to get even better. Faster internet speeds mean smoother and more responsive AR interactions. No more waiting for virtual items to load or lag during virtual try-ons. Everything will be instant, making the whole experience seamless and enjoyable. So, how does this affect you, the shopper? Well, it means more convenience, more fun, and more confidence in your purchases. AR helps you see and experience products in a way that static images and videos simply can't match. It's a game changer in making shopping not only easier but also a lot more enjoyable. Next time you shop online or visit a store, look out for AR features. Try on that jacket virtually, see how that new lamp looks on your desk, and enjoy the new, interactive shopping adventures. The future of shopping is here, and it's augmented. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechSnap for more tech insights and digital knowledge. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.